Have you ever opened your fridge and pantry and thought, how did it get this bad? Same here. Today I'm rolling up my sleeves and giving these spaces a much needed refresh. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling giving the fridge a clean out and refreshing the pantry with some easy budget friendly organizing. If you're ready for some real life cleaning motivation and love a good before and after, make sure to stick around and let's dive right in. Diving right in, I am going ahead and getting this fridge cleaned out. I'm not doing a deep clean on the fridge today, but I am just going ahead and giving the fridge a good wipe down just because I'm a little pressed on time. This was in the evening. I had just gotten a grocery order, so I was really trying to hurry up so that my cold items didn't spoil.
Picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe. Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly. Charging forward when I open my mouth, though I may not know how. I know I was born to sing. Travel the world, raise baby girls. Bury my best friend, I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. Even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. out when I'm 123. Really wish that all my heroes would notice me, so I could be one of the greats on a big stage, inspiring people to pray and give thanks. 'Cause somehow we made it. We're always protected while building our legacy. Travel the world, raise baby girls, marry my best friend. I'm manifesting, I'm not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. But even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave.
So getting into this pantry, I had went out and got some new pantry labels. I found these at Walmart. They were really affordable. I think they were less than $2, and this is everything that they say. They also have different fonts that you can use. I got the one in handwritten because I really like that one. So yeah, I'm just about to go ahead and start relabeling some of these containers. My pantry was a hot mess. Everything was just thrown everywhere. Normally when I organize some of my spaces, they stay organized that way for a good minute, but then every now and then, you know, real life be happening, and the spaces just get back either decluttered or they get back, you know, stuff just not where it's supposed to be, or stuff just thrown everywhere. So that's how my pantry was. It was just stuff everywhere. So yeah, I just wanted to go back in, reorganize this space and refresh this space.
Somebody told me, don't you waste your heart on him. Oh well, he made me believe we were perfect there and then. God knows I've tried seeing eye to eye, but it's been going on for way too long. You see red and start to lose your head when you get a little drunk. So baby, I will pack up my things, leave before you would start a riot. Baby, I don't want anything from you but some peace and quiet. Just calm down. And now I'm standing in the corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh, you got me going, oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you.
And that's it, friends. Everything is cleaned, refreshed, and organized. I hope this video gave you some cleaning motivation to tackle your own fridge and pantry. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments what space you're tackling next. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!